to A&S Creativity Workshop and click on the bell icon.
Today I will unbox Fixate sticking pad. So this is the courier pocket. So in this I have received this is a Fixate gel pad. Here the product's characteristics are given and some points to be noted, everything. So we'll keep it aside. So I will take out this pad out. So there is a cover on it. So I remove this cover on the both sides. You can see how sticky it is. So we can now demonstrate it. This Fixate gel pad. So it is stick, and then we'll use this mobile stick on it. It is stick, so we can use it. So we can use with hand free. We did not use a hand for holding it. And not only mobile, we can stick any other plain thing or on a surface which is plain, not porous, and use this Fixate gel pad.